We at Dar es Salaam Tanzania chapter of ICI do proudly promote 21st World Congress of Accountants, which will be held in Mumbai in India from 18 to 21st of November 2022, and the host organization is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India.
On behalf of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, it is our pride and privilege to invite you all to the 21st World Congress of Accountants 2022 in Mumbai, India, one of the fastest world economies.
The World Congress of Accountants (WCOA) has been held under the auspices of the International Federation of Accounting Countries, the worldwide organization for the accountancy profession, and it has been held every 5 years since 1952 until 2002.
The host organization moves every 4 years to a different professional accounting body chosen by IFAC team.
India is a land of immense growth and opportunities, and the Congress in Mumbai will be an incredible networking and learning platform for accountants across the globe.
Olympics of the accountancy profession, as the World Congress is popularly known, is going to be held in this part of the world for the first time. It's not only a proud moment for the Indian accounting fraternity, but as well as a proud moment for the whole accounting fraternity of South Asia, as India is the first country among the South Asian countries to host this World Congress.
Indian hospitality has been recognized and praised across the globe for Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is God. ICAI motto songs delivers Ya Aisa Sukteshu Jagriti, Kamam Kamam Purusam Nirmimanah, that person who is awake in those that sleep, shaping desire after desire, that indeed is the pure.
As you will find yourself engaged and immersed in a technically well-knitted program, please do remember to visit our history and culture, having 37 heritage sites, including the unique wonder of the world, the Taj Mahal. India is an amazingly vibrant amalgamation of cultures and has untold story to offer its various travelers.
We are working to conceptualize a platform celebrating ideas for future. The conference will provide opportunities for professional enrichment in contemporary and emerging areas.
In November 2022, one will get a chance to get inspired and enlightened by more than 100 eminent luminaries from accounting and business fraternity and network with 6,000 of the most motivated accounting and finance professionals globally.
India is the digital capabilities hub of the world, with more than 75% of the world's digital talent coming from India. More than 25,000 startups are registered in India, with more than 1,400 startups operating every year.
India is the top most offshoring destination for IT companies across the world.
This is the year in which India will celebrate its 75 years of independence, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which will coincide with the Olympic of Accountancy, that is World Congress of Accountants.
The Congress gives participants the opportunity to listen to world-class speakers and leaders of the finance and business community, to exchange views with other accounting and finance professionals from around the world, and to debate current issues and trends in the profession. Congress speakers include international and national standard setters, accounting organizations, accounting firms, regulators, and commerce groups.
We at ICAI look forward to seeing you in great numbers to make this a great knowledge-enriching experience. And don't forget to go explore and enjoy the diverse cultures, the rich heritage, the flora and fauna who spread out across this wide, unique country called India.
ICI aims at harnessing the opportunities and addressing the challenges that are posed by the rapidly changing environment, so that by 2030, ICI become world's leading accounting body, a regulator and developer of trusted and independent professionals with world-class competencies in accounting, assurance, taxation, finance, and business advisory services.